Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy and I'm back for another video. And for today's video we're going to talk about the Coach X Tabitha Simmons. Yes, if you want to see more about this bag, please keep on watching. We're going to take a closer look at this bag. This is the Coach Tabitha Simmons. I did a video a while ago, Coach Collective haul, and I did an unboxing. I got two Tabitha Simmons, the one with the pink color and this one with the black. I did not show much of this bag on that video because it's the same as the pink one. So today we're going to take a closer look at this bag. This is a collaboration with Tabitha Simmons. I got this from the Coach outlet website when I was just browsing like 1 in the morning. It's like, let me look at the Coach outlet website, and then this popped up, the size 17 and the regular Tabitha Simmons. As soon as I saw these bags, I put it in my cart and just added my cart and check out. Yes, that's how fast I did with this bag, because when this was still at the Coach.com website and they have 40% off, I was looking at this one and then it was gone. And I asked some of the Coach fairies to get if they can grab this for me, but this has been unavailable for quite a long time. So when I saw this at that Coach outlet, I snagged it right away. But yes, enough of that story. Let's take a closer look at this bag. This is the card, just in case you're curious. I got this when it was 60% off. This is the front of the bag with the rivets, and this is the side. The back has no back pocket, and the other side of the bag with a D-ring here, and it has the hang tag. This is a 1941 hang tag with a Tabitha Simmons at the back, Coach X Tabitha Simmons. And this bag also comes with this tassel. The tassel has different colors. That doesn't have on this bag. I don't know how I feel about this tassel. I think it's more on the collar that I'm not feeling this tassel. I feel like it doesn't match the bag. But anyway, so this is the buckle for the shoulder strap. You can adjust it. This is on the second setting. It has 4 holes, 1 inch apart. So it's not really a big gap when you want to adjust it. So I tried it on the shortest setting. It's just like an inch difference, so not much of a difference. So this is how the strap looks like. It has the leather loop, and then this is the shoulder strap with the rivets. If you can see the rivets, it has two-tone hardware, the brass tone hardware and the silver tone hardware. The brass are flat and the silver are dome shaped. If you can see, yeah, they are dome shaped, and it's all over. The whole strap has the rivets, and at the back of the strap it's just flat, has no feet. The length is 10.5 inches. The height is 7 3/4. The width is 4 1/4. So this is made of Pebble leather. Initially I thought it was a part of the 1941 collection, but I'm not sure. If anyone knows if this is part of the 1941 collection, please write a comment down below. Reading the description of this bag, it says this is natural pebbled leather. It doesn't say glove tanned leather, but it feels like, you know, the glove tanned pebbled leather. It feels the same. Yeah, this is so soft. And let's open this bag. So this has 2 flaps. The first compartment will be at the front with the magnetic closure, and the inside is suede all over. Yep, isn't it nice? It's all suede. Yes. Then when you open this, so it has a Turnlock closure. When you open it, the flap is so soft. just like that. So soft. And then the inside is suede. The inner lining is suede. So this is the inside of the bag. It's huge. Has a zipper pocket here with a 1941 canvas. That's why I'm questioning, is this part of the 1941 collection? And then the zipper pocket, the zipper pull here has 1941 in it. And the sides of the zipper pocket has a leather detail. And then on the other side, there's a snap closure pocket with suede here and 1941 canvas with the leather trimming. This is the Coach crate. The pockets of this bag is big enough to fit a phone. I have an iPhone XS Max, and let's try it in here. So it will fit on the pocket here. There you go. It does fit at the slip pocket at the front, and then it will also fit at the zipper pocket at the back. So let's open it. It's big enough to fit a phone in there. Now let's see what can fit inside this bag, because it can fit a lot. Let's open it and let's start putting stuff. See how soft this is? So I have the makeup bag. This is my catch-all bag. We'll put it here. Then I have a mini pochette that has my power bank, power cords, headset. It's all in here. Full-size wallet. Put in there. I have a Hello Kitty pouch with my antibacterial wipes and some receipts and coupons. Let's put it at the back. Sunglasses, Ray-Ban sunglasses. You can stick it in here. Eyeglasses, let's put it here. Zip wallet from Coach. Let's put it here on top. See how much it can fit. I remove this one. See how much it can fit in there. Let's put this one back, and then let's put another item in here, because I like using my Hydro Boost hand gel. And let's just stick it in here and let's close it. See if it will close. It does close. And then on the front pocket we can put our phone. We can put our phone on the front pocket, and there you go. That's what it looks like when it's full. You can see a little like dent here, but it doesn't bother me because this is a soft leather. This is the back of the bag. If this is more structured bag and then it changes the shape, then it will annoy me. I don't like that. But since this is a very soft leather, it doesn't really matter to me. Even if it's full and heavy, it doesn't really sag. You can just see the indentation. But let's do the mud shots with the stuff inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you wear it shoulder bag. There you go. And then when you wear it crossbody, I would not wear it at the front because it's so full, it's so chunky. Let's wear it to the side. Probably not. Wear it in your back. If we remove some of the items inside, not too full, let's see what it looks like. We'll remove this. So this is what I have inside right now. It doesn't change the shape now because it has less items. Now let's wear it. It's nice. Easier to wear it crossbody, wearing it like this compared to when it's full. It's easier to carry it on your back, but when it's not too full, you can wear it at the front. Since the leather is soft, it molds to your body. My thoughts about this bag. The pros are it's a nice size for a crossbody and a shoulder bag. With this size, 10.5 inches length, it fits a lot of items inside. Unlike, you know, the like a Coach trimmer shoulder bag, it's almost the same size as this one, but it's it can fit less items inside. I think because the leather is soft, so it's more, it has more give to it. It is soft. I like the leather. It's so squishy, and then you can tell that it is a good quality leather. I like how unique this style is, but some of the things I don't like about this bag is there's no back pocket, because it would be nice if you just have a back pocket there. And then the shoulder strap, it would be nice if there's more options or to adjust the length. There's limited way of adjusting the strap to make it shorter. The shoulder strap usually like folds inwards. When you're wearing it, it's okay because it holds up, and so it's easier to open it. But when you put it like in your car and you need to get something, then it's just a little hassle to open it because of the straps. Another thing is the size of this bag. Like if you see here, there's a gap. It doesn't really close fully, so if you have small items and then this one like fall over, there's a chance that your small items can fall out of the bag. So yes, that's it guys for today's video, the closer look of the Tabitha Simmons and what fits inside. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and please share your love and support to my channel by subscribing, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.